Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Today we are going to talk about a common issue many iPhone users face: overheating during charging. Not only is it uncomfortable to use, but it can also shorten the lifespan of your phone if not addressed properly. In this video, we will walk you through some simple solutions to fix the problem and keep your iPhone cool while charging. Let us dive right in. Number 1. Don't use your iPhone while charging. When you use your iPhone while it is charging, it puts extra strain on the battery because it has to both power the phone's function and charge simultaneously. This increased workload can cause the battery to work harder than usual, leading to excess heat. For example, running power-intensive apps or using features that require constant processing can make the phone overheat, as the system struggles to keep up with both demands. Solution: minimize the risk of overheating. Avoid performing high-power tasks such as gaming, streaming high-definition videos, or using navigation apps while your iPhone is charging. These activities require significant energy and processing power, which can exacerbate the heat generated during charging. Instead, let your phone remain idle or engage in light activities like checking messages or browsing until it is fully charged. By reducing the load on the battery, you help maintain a cooler operating temperature and ensure efficient charging. Number 2. Turn off unnecessary background apps. When multiple apps are running in the background, they continue to use your iPhone's CPU, memory, and battery power, even if you are not actively using them. Background apps can perform tasks such as fetching data, updating content, or running processes, all of which contribute to the phone's overall workload. This continuous activity generates additional heat and can cause your iPhone to overheat, particularly during charging when the device is already under stress. Solution: to help mitigate overheating, it is important to close any apps you are not currently using. Here's how to do it. For iPhones with Face ID, swipe up from the bottom edge of the screen and pause in the middle of the screen to open the app switcher. You will see a carousel of presently used apps. For iPhones with a home button, double tap the home button to bring up the app switcher, showing a list of apps you have recently used. Once the app switcher is open, locate the apps you want to close. Swipe up on each app's preview to close it. This stops the app from running in the background and reduces the strain on your device processor and battery, helping to lower the temperature. By managing background apps effectively, you ensure that your iPhone operates more efficiently and stays cooler during charging. Number 3. Remove the phone case. Phone cases, especially those made of thick, padded, or heat-insulating materials, can trap heat around your iPhone. When your phone is charging, it generates heat, and if a case is too snug or made from materials that don't allow for proper ventilation, it can prevent this heat from dissipating. As a result, the heat builds up inside the case, making your phone hotter and increasing the risk of overheating. Solution: to help your iPhone stay cool while charging, remove the phone case before plugging in the charger. By doing so, you enable better airflow around the device, allowing the heat generated during the charging to escape more freely. This is crucial when charging in warm environments or using fast charging, as these conditions can cause your phone to generate even more heat. Additionally, removing the case helps prevent potential long-term damage. Persistent overheating can affect the battery's longevity and impact internal components, potentially leading to performance issues or hardware failures. By taking off the case, you not only help your phone cool down faster, but also extend its overall lifespan and maintain its optimal performance. Number 4. Check the charging cable and adapter. Using damaged or low-quality third-party charging cables and adapters can lead to overheating issues. Faulty cables or adapters may not provide a stable and regulated power flow, which can cause your iPhone to overheat during charging. This improper power delivery not only affects your phone's battery performance, but can also pose a serious safety risk, including potential fire hazard. Solution: to ensure safe and effective charging, always use Apple-certified MFI charging cables and adapters. These certified accessories are designed to meet Apple's strict standards for power delivery, safety, and device protection. They are tested to ensure compatibility and prevent overheating. If you notice that your charger feels excessively hot, shows any signs of wear or damage, or if it is not an Apple-certified product, replace it immediately. Using high-quality, certified accessories helps maintain proper charging temperatures, protecting both your iPhone and yourself from potential harm. Number 5. Avoid charging in hot environments. Charging your iPhone in a hot environment such as under direct sunlight or inside a parked car can significantly increase the chances of overheating. Heat from the surroundings, combined with the heat generated during charging, can cause your phone to become too hot, potentially damaging the battery and internal components. Solution: always charge your iPhone in a cool, well-ventilated area. Try to avoid charging on soft surfaces like couches, beds, or blankets, as these can trap heat and block airflow. Instead, charge your phone on a hard, flat surface that allows the heat to dissipate more easily, ensuring your iPhone stays at a safe temperature while charging. Number 6. Update iOS to the latest version. Apple regularly releases iOS updates that include important bug fixes, security patches, and performance enhancements. Some of these updates address issues that could be contributing to your iPhone overheating, especially if older software is causing excessive battery strain or inefficient power usage. Solution: to ensure your iPhone runs smoothly and stays cool, keep its software up to date. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and check for any available updates. If an update is available, download and install it. Keeping your iOS updated helps optimize your phone's performance and can reduce the risk of overheating issues caused by outdated software. Number 7. Enable Low Power Mode. Low Power Mode helps conserve battery life by reducing power consumption and limiting background activities. This can be particularly useful during charging, as it decreases the load on the battery and can help prevent overheating. When enabled, it restricts functions like background app refresh, automatic downloads, and certain visual effects, allowing your phone to charge more efficiently and stay cooler. Solution: to activate Low Power Mode, go to Settings, Battery, Low Power Mode, and toggle it on. This will help your iPhone charge more effectively and reduce the risk of overheating by minimizing the energy used while the device is connected to the charger. Number 8. Check for battery health issues. As your iPhone's battery ages, its performance can decline, potentially causing it to overheat. A deteriorating battery might struggle to handle the charging process efficiently, leading to excess heat and reduced overall performance. Solution: to check the health of your battery, go to Settings, Battery, Battery Health, and Charging. Here, you can view the battery's maximum capacity and its overall condition. If you notice that the maximum capacity is significantly lower than 100%, or if there are other signs of battery deterioration, it might be time to consider replacing the battery. Replacing a worn-out battery can help resolve overheating issues and improve your iPhone's performance. And that's it for today's tips. If your iPhone still overheats after trying these solutions, it may be a hardware issue, and you should contact Apple support or visit a certified repair center. Hopefully, these fixes help you keep your phone cool and working efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone who might be facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.